Good morning, my dear students. I am Neha Sharma, your social science teacher from DAV Police Public School. Today, we are going to start a Development of Civilization, chapter 10 of class 6th, and this is our third video of this chapter. And in this video, we will learn about the occupation, religion, and social life of the people of the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, let's start our first topic. So, the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization were farming, weaving, pottery, toy making, metalwork, and trading. So, first of all, we will discuss about the farming, and later on, we will discuss about all the other occupations of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so as we already know that the farming was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization, and they grew wheat, barley, rice and cotton. Okay, the farmers of the Indus Valley civilization were aware of different method of irrigation. Okay, the main source for water is canals, and the farmers use different tools for farming. Okay, the cultivation of cotton encouraged the textile industries of at that time, and the people become expert in the art of spinning and weaving also. And the main other occupation was domestication of animals. So people of started domesticated the large number of animals like ox, buffalo, goat, sheep, pig, and camels were used as a for means of transport, and dogs and cat were kept as a pet at that time. So yes, in this picture we have seen that the people of Indus Valley civilization started farming, and they also domesticated the animals, right? Yes, now next we will talk about the trade. The traders of that time carried on trade not only in country as well as with other countries also, like Egypt and Afghanistan. Many seals of Harappan found in Mesopotamia that show that the trade exists between these two countries, and seals were made of terracotta and were used by the merchants only. Okay, and the people of Indus Valley used weighting machine also at that time. Okay, the weight usually made up of stone was known as chart, and they were cubical in shape. Okay, with no marks on it. Metal scale pan was used to measure the things and objects, as you see in this picture. Yeah, right. And in this picture you will see that the trading was also exist at that time in Indus Valley civilization. Next we will talk about the sculptures. Okay, yes, Indus Valley civilization people were known as great artists. They were great artists actually. They made sculptures in stone, in metal, and in terracotta. Different images made in stone found in Harappa. The first figure that was discovered is that of a yogi draped a shawl worn over the left shoulder, and the right arm and head was covered with a cloth. And yes, Harappan artists use bronze to make sculptures in metal. Yes, and the sculptures in terracotta, the Indus Valley people practiced sculptures in terracotta also. The terracotta figure of mother goddess was discovered in Mohenjo-daro. Okay, now next I will show you the figures made by the metal and stone. These are the figures discovered from the Indus Valley civilization. Yes, next we will talk about the next occupation, that is pottery and painting. Actually, the pottery found in large quantity. Okay, and they use special clay for this purpose, and they baked it also and made different designs on pots. Different figures like bird, animal, man were depicted on the pots. Paintings on the pots shows that these men were equally good at painting also, right? And these are the few beautiful examples of pottery of that time. Next we will talk about the religion. We don't know much about their religion because no temples have been found from that time, but animal and human figure suggests that Harappan worship gods associated with nature. Okay, the people of that time worshipped nature in the form of animal, birds, and trees. They also worshipped Shiva, Pashupatinath, and Mother Goddess. Yes, the seals have been the main source of information about the religious beliefs of the people of Indus Valley civilization. and the animal figures depicted on the seals like humped bull, unicorn, ox, and the rhinoceros. Here you can see this pictures of different type of seals of that time, and this is the picture of Pashupati seal, which was surrounded by different animals. The people of the Indus Valley civilization believed in life after death, right? They buried the dead bodies together with the household pottery, ornaments, and other articles of daily use. This practice show that they believe in life after death. And also the existence of public bath, it also suggested that people believe in ritual bathing also. All these beliefs show that the religious beliefs of the Indus Valley people were the foundation on which the modern day Hinduism grew up. Next we will talk about the language and script of that time. The script of Indus Valley civilization was known as pictography, as it considered of pictures and signs. Okay, but yes, we cannot read these. Yes, the people of Indus Valley civilization were fond of ornaments like necklaces, rings, bangles, which were made of shells, bones of animals, and ivory. They also used cosmetic like face powder and kajal. Here you can see in this picture different beautiful ornaments used by the people of Indus Valley civilization. Now yes, at last we will read about the end of the civilization. Actually no one knows how this great civilization came to an end after the counting of over a thousands of years, but yes, it is believed that it cause of this line may have been a natural disaster like an earthquake, flood. Okay, and this the other reason was maybe the frequent invasions by the Aryan might have brought the end of the Indus Valley civilization. But yes, the Indus Valley people gave the world its earliest cities because their town planning, their architecture, their concern for health and sanitation, and their drainage system. These all are similar like in our new big cities, present big cities. So yes, this is all about this chapter. I hope you all are doing your work. Thank you so much.